Hi, I'm David King. I work for Scott's Framing, and we're here at Blackjack Ridge Dairy Farm to do some repairs on one of the big dairy shelters. Platform like this right here, they got a couple of buckets. One of them for the harness rope and the impact driver. And the other one's got the grinder and the drill in it. And they got them a nail gun with 3-inch nails, and a bucket here to keep all the trash in. You can see Vance and Doyle on the lift back there. They're pretty high in there. What the problem was when the building was built there wasn't a center part. It was just left open for ventilation. Now when water hits the top of these trusses, it's just running right down to this top roof beam. And it's pretty much rotted it right out. So he's just replacing them. They got lights and electrical wires hooked to each one of them. So he's having to disconnect each little connector and let the wire swing. He's taking the old board out and just replacing it with a new pressure treated 2x6. You can see the water damage on the end of these boards is pretty significant. What there was just rough sawed oak or whatever, and you know, it was about 15 years. They're just not going to hold up to any kind of water like that. One little issue we're running into here, something we're really going to have to watch out for, is we've got the silage that the cows eat. It's right in under our working area here, and well, they're still feeding them, and we dropped 2 screws, and they were pretty hard to find. We had to get them out of their feed. All right, what he's done here, he's put a tarpaulin up just to cover the silage up, just in case we drop something. That'd be just a little bit more protection about, you know, a screw getting in their feet or something like that. Scott, he's got his OSHA approved safety harness on. He's going to be able to work it up pretty high, so not too bad of an idea. Appears to be working okay. See what he's doing there, when he knocks one end of the board loose, he's got control over it then. He can prise it out and gain a lot of leverage on it. Now we're working around a lot of cows, so you're gonna see and hear them doing just about everything you can think of. He's got some big lights he's fooling with right there. And the main thing when you're dealing with something like that is make sure you turn the breaker off. All right, what he's got figured out for his light, he just takes a piece of wire and ties it around the light and then screws it to a little side of one of those boards up there. Just take the weight off of it. That just makes it a lot easier for him. It's just real important that we don't drop anything in the silage and let the cows, end up with a nail in their stomach or something like that. And we done dropped one and didn't land on the tarp. Can't find it with a magnet, so what they're gonna have to do is just come in there with a skid steer and just remove the whole row of silage. Okay, another big concern we got to watch out for is contamination. We don't want any hydraulic fluid or diesel or even mud off our tires. We're working in the feed trough lane, so we got to make sure we don't get anything in their feed that's going to wind up in the milk, because they check that milk pretty often. Here's what he's doing. He's using this for a little bit of extra support. They just 3/8 lag bolts, about 8 inches long. He's just
I know that's why I got confused this morning.